No, but we never saw it before.
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Stuart Williams and I'm your customer service manager on board this flight, taking you to Warsaw. I'd like to have my personal welcome to you all and welcome back our executive club members and one more frequent flyers. If there is anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. We are about to start our onboard service offering complimentary food and drinks to all customers. This will then shortly be followed by the opening of our Highlight shop. Please take a look at the brochure in your seat pocket. Please do not hesitate to let us know if you'd like any further drinks during the flight by visiting the galley or using the call button. We hope you enjoy your flight with us today. Thank you.